buy it low and sell it high. I mean, this is what we wish for. But have you ever asked yourself, what caused the price of gold to rise this much? Is it an increase in the use case of gold? No. ETF. What is ETF and how it will change Bitcoin once and for all? Exchange Traded Fund. Understand it simply as the process of converting anything into shares, like gold. Instead of buying a gold bar, you will buy a shares of gold, as if you bought a part of the gold, but digitally. And of course, the issuer of the ETF need an ETF license. But what was the effect of the ETF on gold after the first Spot ETF? November 2004, first gold ETF was approved from Spider. Within days, there was an inflow of more than $1 billion. The market size of gold at that time was sitting around 1 trillion. Today, after 10 years, it has reached over 10 trillion. But why I'm telling you the history of gold? I'm sure most of you know this, because history is repeating with Bitcoin. Since 2013, there were several attempts for Bitcoin Spot ETF. All of them have been rejected. But in 2023, BlackRock filed for Bitcoin Spot ETF. More than 9 trillion under management, and from 1996, BlackRock filed more than 400 ETFs and was only rejected once. But a question in your mind right now, why don't traditional market investors buy Bitcoin on their own without a broker or ETF approval? Because most of them don't like changes or increase in risk. And we all know that risk is the second name for Bitcoin. For better understanding, consider the ETF a bridge between the traditional market and the crypto market. No one knows if Bitcoin will rise or dump, even if the ETF gets approved. But there is one thing you need to know. They hate the market when it's clear to the investor.